We are most grateful to Brookside Primary School, who allowed us to share their project on YouTube. Now, this cross-curricular project lasted an entire week across all classes, so all the children were involved. Their work concentrated on how they see how to protect the environment. Their work encompassed artwork, music, drama including shadow puppets, filmmaking and instrument making. This was part of a global event called One World Week. This culminated in a whole school event, as you will see. It attracted an Oxfordshire NAPE creative bursary. Well done, Brookside Primary. Now sit back and enjoy.
Wild forest animals. There were colourful birds, tropical trees, exotic flowers, toucans, tree frogs, and tigers. Near nowhere and close to forgotten, that was filled with all the things that everyone wanted. And in the middle was a small house and an old man who had toucans, tree frogs, and tigers in his garden.
Toucans, tigers, birds and tree frogs.
secret